Here are a few useful tips for cleaning your home. To remove the dust from hard-to-reach places, use a hairdryer. Follow these simple tips to keep your washing machine in tip-top shape. Let the water evaporate and avoid mold forming. To remove difficult stains, mix baking soda and vinegar. Vinegar works great to remove mineral buildup. Often we forget to do it, but it is very important to clean the filter. The soap dispenser can get crusty and dirty. Remove it and clean with baking soda and vinegar. Before inserting the clean soap dispenser, remember to also clean out the inside. After these steps, your washing machine will be good as new. Don't use soap to clean cutting boards. Spread over the surface baking soda and scrub with a lemon. The cutting board will be clean and sanitized. Is your stove dirty? For a thorough cleaning, remove all of the parts and submerge in vinegar and hot water. Scrub with baking soda and a toothbrush to make your stove shine. As it dries, start cleaning the stovetop. Instead of soap, use toothpaste. Wow, it sparkles! Lemon and salt are great allies against tough stains. For an even better result, shine the surface with vegetable oil. Perfect!